You know what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
You're not gonna blow up my computer using your tuner on it, right?
Oh, why would I do that?
I mean, it works on cars, hopefully.
What, the tuner?
Yeah. It blows
better.
up. It blows up on cars, so you know.
I mean, it's not blowing up on mine. No, sir. No, we sold it. Nah, we didn't think about it. Vehicle information? Okay. Alright. Okay. B4161E0E. Alright, man. Appreciate you. Alright, you have a great day, man.
So did it work?
He said it did. We got to find out. Backup, bruh. Hey, man. I've seen them put these on. It's hot. AC's not working. It's just blowing hot air on it. I'm getting so close to it.
Turn off car.
Okay, turn it off.
Continue. So, Jared, how did you get the tune?
Last car show we went to, dude had an extra one in his trunk that he was willing to sell. It was a tuner itself. It's an older model, but it still works.
Still works?
Yeah, I didn't pay much for it. With the extra license I had to put on it since it was married to his car.
Mm-hmm.
It was $150 for that, $65 for the device, so it's still less than buying a new one.
Oh yeah.
So
it worked out pretty
I wasn't
good.
mad at all.
Now, it's been a couple days later since we tuned the car. He was just kind of playing with it, tweaking it around a little bit.
Yeah, what you shouldn't do. Don't do it.
You can do that as long as you don't mess it up.
I did mess the car up twice.
So, did it already come with tunes on it?
It did. It was like 3 different tunes. It came with the Diablo Sport, which is a 93 base, a 91 octane, which I don't run that fuel, so I didn't do it, and then a modified stock tune, which gives you where you can take your speed limiter off, your rev limiter, but it doesn't give you any more horsepower, torque, opening, or anything. It doesn't change anything else.
Okay.
That's the tune you would use if you wanted to remove the rev limiter but still pass regulation, which we don't have it.
Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Now, if the camera falls off this time, then I'm gonna be like, really? Cue last clip.
Oh. Hey, chill out. Threw the camera in the floor. Torque, it's a crazy thing.
Did your 0 to 60 improved a little bit?
Slightly.
Slightly?
The best I was able to get before was the 5.03, and since I retuned this recently, it's not going to show up anything. It deletes all the data logs when you do that.
3, 2, 1. Feel the difference?
I do.
God, that turned the camera. My car is loud. Now you just having fun.
Oh yes. Love torque. I need more of it.
More of it.
Never have too much until it rips my drive shaft off or where I But until then, not too much.
Whew. All right. Well, now my head hurts. All I gotta say, I think I gotta run for my money for this race.
Glad you think that. Did you enjoy yourself there?
Yeah. My head is hurting now.
Upgraded torque is nice, huh?
Yeah, it's really nice.
The tune, like, to a lot of people, they don't really feel like the tune does too much, but if you adjust it properly, like I guess I got enough throttle boost for my air intake. It makes a difference, as Darius can tell, I can tell. The torque is substantially noticeable.
Yeah. When tuning your car is a lot of trial and error.
Yes, and if you do it wrong and don't realize that you did wrong, you can really tear this thing up.
I got a question.
So,
in the time frame of me trying to fix my car, what are you planning on doing with your car?
honestly, it depends on how long you take, because I gotta buy the house first. Like, as soon as I get extra money, right, I'm gonna put 392 gears in here. That's the next thing I'm gonna try to do, is 392 gears. I want long tube headers, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get them within that time frame. It just depends on you. Yeah, it just depends on you. But gears are not that expensive. I can get the gear set for like 170, 230. I just gotta get someone to install them.
It's gonna be a fun race. Hopefully everything works out.
On the track? I've never been on the track. Let's hope I don't spin out.
Exactly.
My car is really heavy though, so I do have an advantage on the track.
I hope a lot of people come to this thing too.
Yes.
Because I want a lot. I'm finna post it on Facebook and invite people and stuff like that.
Invite people once your car is fixed.
Yeah.
And yeah, do that.
And
once your car is fixed, do that. We'll plan the day, and you do your normal driving to break the engine in, and then we'll go.
It's probably gonna be it for the video until
probably.
Until next time.
That torque game was pretty nice. But yeah, until next time.
Until next time. Let's see what I got in plan for my car.
Man, this fool ordering stuff all the time. I don't know. I can't keep up because I gotta pay a car note. This lucky little booger right here, he's a booger. Or a Q-tip.
A Q-tip?
Yeah, Q-tip. This little Q-tip right here, ordering crap for his car. Don't gotta pay $500 note and $500 insurance. Gotta pay $1,000 a month for his car. He ain't gotta do all that. See, I do.
Because you got a newer car. I have a 98.
That is true.
But yeah.
All right, people. I know we already closed the video out, but we got sidetracked, so we're closing it out now.
Where's the button at? Where's the button?
Torque. It broke it. Look. So
How did it break it?
Torque. Even though I don't really have that much. Yeah.
You owe me new one. Shoot.